This is Hyundai i10 Sports 2017, single owner, comprehensive insurance for 1 year, no work in the vehicle, brand new condition, only 40,000 kilometers driven, brand new 5 tires along with stepney, excellent condition vehicle, clean interiors. It is with reverse camera. Very silent vehicle. No work required at all.